Done a little work in the yard lately. My doogies. She's got these paw things that light up at night. But come out here to run off the bikes. First one you got here is a Honda Trail 70 1974 72cc. Pretty much restored to original. No, except the only modification I made was I had to buy a new carburetor and put the pod filter on there, which it runs good. Gets a little bit more horsepower out of it. I put these new mirrors. They come with mirrors, but mirrors were broke off. And it's run by 6-volt battery. Then the next one here is the MB200. A little modified, stage 1 modified. And this is my muffler pipe. Goes in here, loops around, come back around here. It's a lawnmower. I'm going to be working on this as soon as I get done with the other bike. It's a new gas. That's a Honda gas tank, a Honda 110cc, I think. I added the mirrors to it so I can ride it on the street. It's got LED lights. Got an LED light on the front. This battery. I took off the charger because it's worthless. So it's easier to just charge the 12-volt battery. And then I got, stage 1 from Go Power Sports. This is from Go Power Sports. This is a Tractor Supply find. I got it on sale. And she wanted to put a basket on there, and that basket is from Walmart. It's a bicycle basket, and it's got the same headlight as this one does. And this one, I just rejetted the carburetor and put a pod on the top there. I didn't buy Harbor Freight Stage 2, and it didn't really do much to the engine. I just put 18-pound valve springs on this, and put the battery inside here. All the electric wires go in there, and velcroed this. Doesn't seem to want to stick too well. I have to re-glue that down. But I did modify this. I put this is the one I put the swing arm on. There's the swing arm for this one. This swing arm came off a Yamaha Blaster, and I modified it and fabricated the swing arm out of it. Those shocks came off the original of these shocks, and I took off the jack shaft on this and run it straight chain all the way back with 62 sprocket, and I got a chain tensioner I made, and I remodified the frame so it's more like a dirt bike, and it does work. That you can see when you sit on it, the chain pulls the the tensioner pulls the chain up, so it's not real tight. This is my latest one I've been working on. I just got the rear. I got recycled foot pegs put on there. Everything is pretty much original here. I'm going to take it apart and sandblast it. I put a new tire on it. Had to find, yeah, it's dirty, it's been in storage for a month. Put a new tire on it, redid the rim, painted the rim with that metallic, and I got video of that, and put new brakes on it. Had to find all this hardware. I had to buy this off eBay, and this piece right here, get the order from eBay because it was missing, and I had to order the Kickstarter. Need to fix that. It goes back too far. I need to put a little weld in there to keep it right there instead of back. But it starts. I got a new carburetor for it, but I rebuilt the carburetor, the original carburetor. So in case it gives me a trouble, I'll just change the carburetor. But I'm still working on it. I got new tire for the front. Front rim is in pretty good shape. Needs to be polished up. Most of it just needs to be. I'm going to take the engine off and sandblast. You know, go through the clutch and everything, and then sandblast parts and repaint the engine. And that shock, I wanted to bring it back to the yellow color. So put the I have to turn the petcock off, or it's going to overfill the carburetor. It's dripping. So I left the petcock on. And I did find that the handlebars are a little bent. I think somebody wrecked or something. I may have to do a little note of, somebody repainted all this. Somebody that was painting like crazy on this thing. So I'm going to have to take everything off this and clean all the paint off of it. Fix the fender. There is a rear fender for this. I'm missing a piece of the plastic here, so I need to buy a set of plastics for the back. Fortunately, there's no plastics that go here, and the seat isn't really a Honda seat cover. I don't know where this came from, but somebody tried to replace it. That's where I'm at. Just wanted to show off this collection here. It's my collection 2022.